In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. After that, you need to install this free app from Flartooth developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can read all the informations about your tablet's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!